show you how to do a really simple, really cute, pretty little hairband. So what we've got is just from a cheap shop, a little black hairband. I didn't like it black, so I spray painted it white. Simple. You can get them rainbow colour. Spray paint them any colour you like. Do it rose gold if you like. Then I've got a few little bits of offcuts that I've had blowing around the warehouse, and I'm just going to hot glue gun them. You can cold glue gun them to your hairband here, and then we will pop it on our head and we'll be ready for the races. So, I'm going to start with a little bit of white hydrangea. I'm just going to see how that's going to lay on top of that. There, I think that's going to be quite good. I'm going to trim off the stem a little bit. Get my glue gun, pop some hot glue on the spot where I want that to happen. And just lay that on there. Hold it down for a second or two. Don't burn your fingers. I'm going to grab a little bit more glue gun. These glue gun sticks, they come in lengths, so you just cut them to the length that you want. Otherwise they hang out the end and it's quite annoying. So pop that in there and get some more glue and just fasten that down. So really quite cute. I've got some beautiful little paper daisies, some beautiful white fern, and some amazing little pink roses that we've dried here. So I'm just going to physically lay it on top there, just so it's nice and flat. And glue gun. Hold it in place. A couple of little pussy tails. Trim them to size. And we're going to glue gun, and pop them in there. Hold them down into that hot glue. It still takes a minute or so to dry, so it gives you a little bit of time to just pull it all together. Gorgeous like that. Then I've got some beautiful, I'm going to use 2 of the roses, and then I'm going to use one of the paper daisies just at the top to finish it off, and then I'm going to clean it up and just lay some fern down the band just to show clean up some of the workings of it. So, just pushing that hot glue gun in there. Move that too quick. So the glue is still quite hot and malleable. And we're just going to talk amongst ourselves to let that dry a bit. It'll probably take a minute or 2 to dry. So while that's drying, think about what you're going to do next. Pop the nice little white flower on. We're using a paper daisy. Just pinching it and holding it quite firmly. And that should be coming along really nicely. I'm going to trim off the stems. And use a little bit more glue just to secure all the bits I like in place. Get a couple of little pieces. Just going to pop a little bit of glue down that. Grab my little white fern and place that on there. I'm going to do the same with the white fern on the other side. I think that's looking really cute. I do feel like I want one more pussy tail though, just to come through here. Put that in place. Here. Then I think they're done. So I'm going to cut that one a little bit shorter, turn it over. I don't want that pussy tail to move, so I've put a little dot of glue onto the rose and just holding that on there like that. Put a little bit of glue under, a little bit of glue over. And because we're using a little bit of, not a lot, it's actually there's no weight in it at all. I'm just going to secure that to there. There we have a gorgeous. I hope you like that. I really enjoyed doing that. It was super fun. It was simple. All you needed was a glue gun, a lovely little hairband, little bits of off-cut flowers, and you've made yourself something that's really fun and special for your head. If you had a glass of champagne in your hand right now, you would be very, very happy.